here for Dana Ridge. Today I'm going to be blasting some parts for a friend of mine who's doing up a 1932 Ford Roadster for a customer. These are the window support posts and a couple of hood latches. He's going to be coating it with epoxy paint, so we're going to use some sea bead just to give it a nice finish that the paint can stick to, and it should look pretty good. Alright, so we're blasting this in our Comet machine with sea bead, which so they have letter designations for different sizes. So this is about 250 to 425 microns. Now, there's no concern with damaging threads or removing too much material with these blast machines, so I don't have to be careful. I just point and blast. We didn't have to use glass bead in this case. We could have used crushed glass or aluminium oxide. The part's getting painted, so all up a couple of minutes to do this job. If you are interested in this machine, give us a call on 1-800-806-316 in Australia, or visit our website dana-ridge.com.au.